Hey guys, can everybody hear me? So I was out and about. I just got back in. I had no idea that. I mean, I knew when the markets closed. Let me show you the Dow Jones. This is going to be a quick stream, guys. Like 15, 20 minutes. I just want to cover a few things. This here is the Dow Jones, right here. So guys, I've been telling you if you watch the live stream I did earlier today, I told you, I said, look, if the markets are bullish and we push up, then that's bullish for Bitcoin. But I said it's very possible this could have been a fake out blow off top. You see, I said, look, it's possible if we come back down, expect the US dollar to push up. If markets are down, that's bearish for Bitcoin, that's bullish for the dollar. You can see we're back below this ring. But the crazy thing is, look at this. This is after market trading. It was down 165 points. We're down 584. So this right here is 31,387. So if we come down 580 points, guys, forgive me. Let me just do this here. Let's see here. But what I'm getting at, I would not be playing. I'm going to show you where you can catch some bounces, but I would not be I would not be trading Bitcoin right now. If you want a chance of bounces, but this is looking pretty bad. So we closed at 31,400. 31,400 minus negative, let's just go negative 600. That's going to put us at 30,800. Okay, so look, that's going to put us right here. I'll put this 30,000, and good. We have all weekend long to see what happens. This could push back up, at least after market trading, but that is going to put us 30,800. Wow. That is going to put us right down here. Coincidentally, look, right at the support level. The support level in this fib channel line right here. So it is possible, if it stays like that, we could catch a bounce. But guys, what I'm trying to get at, I told you that this was very possible. This is happening sooner than I expected. I thought maybe we come down and do something like this. Guys, if it continues like this and goes lower, we are going to be bouncing potentially off of this point. So what's possible is we come down. That's a hell of a drop. We're going to come down, probably find support here. This would be a point too long. Come back up. This will be resistance. And I think that's the point we have a major correction. Again, I'm just showing you a possible scenario. But again, I told you, I said, guys, if the market starts coming down, and it stopped here, I wasn't looking at aftermarket trading. I was out and about. And then I came back and looked at this and was like, oh, wow. So again, this seems to be our support, at least with aftermarket trading. So I think it's already started. So if you are trading Bitcoin, I'd be very cautious. If you want to play the bounces, I'm staying out. If we hit some of those blue support levels below, I will buy there. But guys, I think this is going to come down pretty hard. Let me give you some targets. So we were holding support. I'm gonna go to the smaller time frame on this chart. This right here, guys. By the way, the lifetime option is still available if you want to contact me through the contact page. If you want to do lifetime, guys, access everything, tutorials, stocks, BTC, alts, Discord, Twitter, all of that. Just go here and just send me an email. I will take care of you. I already responded to all emails I got today. The Dow closed at 31,393. Or it closed right around there. Let me verify. You're telling me something. I need to go back and look. The Dow closed at 31,400, but after market trading, guys, this is what I'm talking about. After market trading, right here. If this continues like this when the market's open on Monday, if this is down 1,000 points, that means the Dow will be down 1,000 points. Yeah, well, I figured it was important. So let me give you some price targets, guys, because you can see right here, we were finding support on this trend line right here. I mean, it is just tanking right now. We found support here. We found support here, pushed back up. We're dropping. The next, and look, we're at support right now. Notice we're pushing back up from this blue ring. Look, these are temporary support. We could hit this, push up, 0.5%, 1%, maybe come back up and test this resistance. But I think we are coming down much lower. Just seeing how low guys, it's negative 600. This could be down into 1,000, 2,000 by Monday. Hey, it could go back to zero, but right now you can see how it's having an effect on the price of Bitcoin. Let me show you a couple price targets to pay attention to. So look, we just found support here. You can see this live, guys, how accurate these are. I showed you earlier live stream, this blue ring. This just shows. So if you would have hit this ring, guys, notice that is to the tick. I can't zoom in anymore. Look at that. That is literally to the tick, guys. I can't even draw a circle. I'm so zoomed in. That's how accurate these are, all right, to the dollar. My point is, we've already broken past this support. The next support to watch, to pay attention to if you want to catch a bounce, if you'll notice right here, this is a trend line, was resistance, resistance, resistance. So if you're looking for a next support level, so look, as I tell you, it'll be resistance, resistance, you break above it, you test it as support. So we're coming back down to test this. So again, if you want to test, if you want to chance a quick long, it is possible. Our next support level on this chart is 47,821. If we do break below there, if we come down and do something like this, which is very possible, we'll catch a bounce here. Even if we push back up, I don't know. That is possible. But if we do come down, watch to potentially catch a bounce on this trend line right here, depending on when you make contact. But that does look like a likely next support level. But we will catch a bounce here at 47,800. But again, if it's right here, it's 47,212. But that will be support. It could play out a number of ways. We could come up and do something like this, come back down and break it, resistance. It does seem down is more likely. I would be very cautious longing right now. And again, guys, if it gets really bad, if this is the B1 chart, all right? This is what I'm talking about. If it gets really, really bad, your major support levels are in white. These are the most, these were tested the most going further back. This fib channel line here. The next one is, look, this is 45,254 for a bounce, 43,530. But guys, look, 41,000, this is 42,000. This is the point I expect to catch a hell of a bounce. Your next support levels here, the one you do not want to miss, 37,000. I'm not saying we have to go that low, guys, but I did not expect the stock market to come down this much. Yeah, we can see how the alts are doing, but this is going to be a short stream, guys. I just want to let you know I would be very cautious. You can play the bounces, but my opinion, while not financial advice, if you come down and you find support and you come up in your profit, I would take my profit. When you think you've got enough, take your profit if you want to play the bounces. As far as I'm concerned, just like last March, when the markets came down, guys, Bitcoin got hit hard. So, if the Dow is going to come down 5%, 10%, whatever, who knows, Bitcoin's going to come down twice as much. Yeah, I think 42,000 is a good point. And then if that drops, if we drop below that, I think 37,000 is a good point. But I just want to make sure you're aware that markets are down, guys, negative 642. If this keeps climbing until Monday, who knows how low this can be. And you see right here where we, we pushed all the way up, yesterday? And then we were pushing up more, and then look at this. I said, look, it's possible we come right back down. This was a fake out, guys. This was all a fake out. We came right back down below this ring. So as far as I'm concerned, I thought it would do something like this. If this continues, we are already going to be breaking this. And like I said, back over here, once we break it, guys, just like back here, this was our COVID crash. Once we break this trend line, this fib channel line right here, see what happened right here? We got rejected at the orange ring. We just got rejected. Over there we're doing stuff like this. But again, rejected at the orange ring. As soon as you cross this is when you have the crash. So I'm expecting something like that to potentially play out. That will be super bearish for Bitcoin, super bullish for the dollar. So again, I will do a live stream on Monday. We'll see how this plays out. My suggestion, guys, I'll give you a link for this so you can watch this play out over the weekend, see how low it goes. This is what I use right here. So click that link, bookmark it, save it, and just watch how low that goes. I just cannot believe that it's down 634 points. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going. So this could be the start of that that crash or that correction. I'll call it a correction. We'll see how much we correct come next week. So again, price targets, guys. Like I said, these are your price targets. You'll catch a bounce at every single one of these fib channel lines. Pay attention to this chart. I have all these charts I'm showing are the first four charts. Your next support level to watch is this ring. This is at 45,330. Let's say 45,400. Catch a bounce. Notice we bottomed. This ring was support, resistance, support, 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 support. So if we come down, you could catch a bounce right here at 45,422. And does that match another one? 45,422. Yeah, right here. 45,000. Well, I got 45,971, 45,300. So likely this ring, depending on when you make contact with it, I'm just showing you the strongest support levels I see. So if it's out here, 45,269, you got 45,300. So again, this is white. It's strong support, and you have another chart here showing strong support if you want to catch a nice bounce. Remember, if it's crashing, people are shorting, they will send the price up to liquidate those shorts to stop people out before it comes down more. Notice we are still testing this blue ring, guys. This is when markets are crashing, this is a great way to show you how accurate these charts are. And we've been respecting this blue ring, so look, we're right here at 48,177. So do we break this, or do we continue to just push up, hit resistance, come down further? On this chart, your next major support is going to be right here at 46,434. But notice this blue ring is holding. This blue ring was perfect support right here. And notice it was perfect support again. Well, we're breaking past it, but again, you saw earlier it was a perfect hit. And then you can see it's pushing back up. But that's what I say. You just play the bounces. You don't know how far to push up. So it's always a gamble. But again, if it might be worth it for some of these, but if markets continue down, I would be very, very cautious. Because again, we didn't get much of a bounce here. They can just come right back down. The next ring below is 46,100. So we could be coming down a lot, guys. Over the weekend, through next week, this could already be the start. Why am I bearish? I was bullish earlier. The last live stream was actually bullish. I said that if we hold support right here, this was our previous resistance. And I said if we come down and hold support, if it holds, this would be a good re-entry to push higher. And I think I gave you a target of 54,800. It did not hold. We came right back down below. Why the hell would I not be bearish if the U.S. markets are crashing and Bitcoin's crashing? You don't want to be bullish when things look bearish. I'm just telling you, that's why I'm doing an emergency live stream right now. What's the BTC bottom? Again, the first major support. If you have access to these charts, load up the B1 chart. This is the strongest support level I have. This is the B1 chart. The B1 chart is the strongest support levels. Your first support to watch is going to be this trend line. That's why I have an arrow here. But yes, you do not want to miss 42,000 and 37,000. Obviously, this is at a slight angle, so price will be different depending on when you make contact. Those are your two strongest support levels. Market is not dumping. What the hell are you talking about? All right, it just started over, so we'll see what happened. That was down. That was down negative 500 and some odd points. That's not FUD. So I guess markets just reset right now, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, all I'm trying to tell you is if markets start dropping more, look, it's already going back into the negative. Yeah, I don't know what this reset was about, but pay attention to aftermarket trading through the weekend. This is weekend trading. But my point is, I'm trying to show you support levels to pay attention to. And you can see right here, we're starting to push back up right now. You can see all this volume. Look, your resistance is going to be right here now, 48,709. Your current support, this is 47,780. If we push back up, your resistance is 49,572 right here. This chart, if we push up, your resistance is 49,754. Your support is 46,432. And let me show you the DXY, guys. Where's it at here? All right, let me, oh, here we go. So here's the DXY. Look what the dollar's doing, and look what Bitcoin is doing. Right here. So this is the support we broke when we started coming down. And I guess you could call this a head and shoulders, right? We came down, but we found support right here. So it looks like the dollar might start pushing up. Your resistance for the dollar on this chart is right here at 90.57, and your current support right now is right here. You can see that this was previously support right here. Again, this is the trajectory that the DXY is following. So if by Monday, this continues to push up and we hold support and go higher, then we're breaking out of that falling wedge. And the only reason we're breaking out of that falling wedge, pushing up with the dollar, is because markets are crashing. TradingView is really slow. I guess a lot of people are on TradingView because of all this craziness. Yeah, well, anyways, if the markets crash, the DXY will push up. Yes, I have a gold chart. I have a silver chart. They've both been updated. I have a copper chart. I think I have a palladium chart. Yes. Keep hold of big. Look. Play the bounces if you like. Right now, we're underneath this blue ring. We did get a perfect bounce off of it. Now this blue ring is resistance. So look, your next support, your closest support is 47,780. It's very likely you might catch a bounce on this orange trend line. This has been saved. So if we come down, watch for a possible bounce on this orange trend line, 47,256. But as long as markets are correcting, guys, this looks bearish as shit. I would be very, very cautious playing these bounces, all right? So that's all I wanted to say, guys. The lifetime option is still available if you do want to take advantage of it. All you have to do is email me through the contact form if you just want to sign up. Again, if you do lifetime, you get access to tutorials, stocks, Bitcoins, altcoins, precious metals, Discord, and Twitter for life. If you just want to try out the charge, $39 a month, guys, just sign up through the website. You don't have to wait for me to respond to an email. This is the subscribe link. My website's slow. I guess a lot of people are on it right now. But this is if you want to subscribe, guys. If you want to just try out the Bitcoin charts, altcoins, precious metals, Discord, and Twitter, it's just $39 a month, guys. If you do want to do the lifetime, you will have to email me. I will give you instructions. But that's it, guys. Don't expect this to just find support and start pushing back up. I think we're going to get bounces on the way down. But until we see what happens with markets, guys. I mean, that was down 500 to 600 points. It just reset, so we'll see what happens. I gave you that link. Yeah. And remember, this is a weekend. It's tomorrow. We've got Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be a lot of craziness going on. Today's Thursday, so oh wow, we have Friday. So all right, I got my days confused. We have tomorrow to see what happens. So expect a live stream in the morning. For some reason, I was thinking it was Friday, but guys, yeah, I'll do a live stream in the morning. We'll see what happens. But remember, if the markets are crashing, yeah, live stream in the morning, guys. If markets are crashing, Bitcoin crashes harder. Keep that in mind. Last time the Dow crashed 36%, Bitcoin crashed 68%. Yeah, it is. I'm saying it can drop more. I'm saying follow the US market, follow the US dollar. we can possibly come down and test those lower targets. I mean, it just keeps coming down and dropping through all these support levels. Yeah, buy cheaper. Hopefully you guys got out at the top. You know, when I did the stream earlier, you know, we topped out. Look, this chart here, again, we topped out at this ring, came down. We topped out at this ring, all the same fifth circle. We came down. We topped out at this ring right here. And then look what happened. We came up and tried to get above this ring and couldn't do it. Let's see where the next ring is down. I mean, this thing just keeps coming down and down and down. Look, we actually held support on that ring right here. I'll update this chart with that ring. Notice we found support. We're still coming down, so I'm just trying to give you some price targets to pay attention to. The next blue ring down, 46,200. You'll have strong support down here at 45,000. Again, I'm just showing you that it looks more bearish. I think this is coming down a lot lower. Yeah, I'll show you that, guys, and I'm going to kill the stream. I'll cover alts tomorrow, guys. We'll see what happens with alts. If you do have access to the charts, load them up. They're already labeled. If it drops, you know where your targets are. But do watch right here, this orange fib channel on the B1 chart. It's very possible we hold support right here. And look, we're already hitting this. Let's see if this pushes back up. I just want to show you how these work. Like right here. We might actually get a little bounce and push up. Yeah, man. Would you please give me a sec? When so again, we're just coming right through this. Watch and see if we hold support right here. If we do, you know, you might get a bounce. But the point is I think it's coming down a lot lower. Just seeing what happens with the markets. But guys, that's it. Yeah, I thought today was Friday. So, and right here, guys, one more target to pay attention to. 45,357. But again, if you want to play the alts, just load up the charts, guys. All of the targets are already there. Just look to the left, see how many times it was tested. Yeah, guys. All right, I'm going to kill this stream. Email me if you have any questions through the contact page on the website. Obviously, the link's up top. It'll be in the description. And good luck. Let's see how low this goes. Follow those markets. Again, this is aftermarket trading. It just reset. Follow it, pay attention to it, and I'll see you guys on Discord and Twitter. All right, peace, guys.